Good morning, I'm Allison Rauch, Public Information Coordinator with Greer CPW, here to provide you an update on Saturday as our crews continue to work to restore service following Tropical Storm Helene. We made some progress overnight. Our crews continued to work throughout the night to clear debris and trees off of the line. And sorry, let me clear my phone really quick. Crews worked throughout the night to clear debris and trees off of our lines. Our hospitals are now back up and not operating on generators, so that is great news. As I mentioned yesterday, that was our top priority, to get our hospitals back up. So we have accomplished that overnight. Now our priority shifts to getting our water and wastewater treatment plants up and off of generators. So that's going to be our top priority today. We're going to focus on our Victor Hill substation as well as Duke Street substation circuits. Once we can get those substations back up, you'll start to see more customers come back online. Again, we still are waiting for Duke Energy to restore their transmission lines. Those feed our substations. So we hope to know a little bit more later today on the status of that. Following getting our substations and circuits back up, we'll focus on high priority and critical customers like gas, grocery, as well as medical, and then commercial and residential customers. We focus on getting the most number of customers on at one time. So that's how it's going to go today. Crews are going to be out. You can see a few of their trucks here right now. Just want to continue to encourage you to stay off the road so our crews can do the work that they need to do. Appreciate your patience. I shared a post earlier with a screenshot of a dry erase board with all the trees that were down and what have been reporting. Thank you so much for letting us know about trees down on lines. This has been really helpful for us, and it helps us dispatch crews even faster to get those trees off of our lines. Hope that y'all have a good Saturday. I'll report back when I can. And again, please stay off the road so our crews can do the work we need to do. Thank you.